Hey everyone, today I will show you how to copy and paste WhatsApp messages on iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Next, open the chat where the message you want to copy is located. For example, this message from Meta AI that I have here. So you'll just have to press and hold the message that you want to copy. A menu will appear, just tap on copy option, then the message is now copied to your iPhone's clipboard. Now to paste the message, just open the chat or any app where you want to use it. So for example, I'm just gonna paste it here in another conversation. You'll just have to tap the text field or press and hold the empty space for the paste button to appear. Then right after, the copied WhatsApp message will now appear in the text field. You can then edit the message if needed or just simply tap the send button to send it. And that is just basically how you copy and paste WhatsApp messages on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.